Hey everyone! Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price possible. This camera has been generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. It promises to deliver excellent performance, impressive image quality, and a host of features that cater to both novice and experienced photographers. Let's dive in and see what makes the Canon EOS R100 a standout option in the world of mirrorless cameras. Design and build quality. The Canon EOS R100 sports a sleek and compact design that feels both modern and durable. Its lightweight body makes it easy to carry around, perfect for on-the-go shooting. Despite its compact size, the camera feels sturdy and well-built, ensuring it can handle various shooting environments. The ergonomic grip and intuitive button layout make it comfortable to use, even during extended shooting sessions. Image quality. At the heart of the Canon EOS R100 is a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which delivers stunning image quality. The photos are sharp, detailed, and vibrant, with excellent color reproduction. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or action shots, the EOS R100 consistently produces impressive results. The ISO range of 100 to 25,600 ensures great performance in various lighting conditions, from bright daylight to low light environments. Autofocus and performance. One of the standout features of the Canon EOS R100 is its advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF system. This autofocus system is incredibly fast and accurate, ensuring you never miss a shot. The camera tracks subjects with ease, making it ideal for capturing moving subjects, whether it's sports, wildlife, or kids running around. The continuous shooting speed of up to 6 frames per second FPS allows you to capture fast-paced action without any hiccups. Video capabilities. For videographers, the Canon EOS R100 offers impressive video capabilities. It can record 4K UHD video at 24p, providing crisp and detailed footage. The camera also supports Full HD 1080p recording at up to 60p, offering smooth and high-quality video. The dual-pixel AF system ensures your videos are always in focus, and the camera's compact size makes it easy to handle for handheld shooting. Connectivity and features. The Canon EOS R100 is packed with connectivity options, including built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. These features make it easy to share your photos and videos on social media or transfer them to your smartphone or computer. The camera also supports Canon's Camera Connect app, which allows you to control the camera remotely and view images on your mobile device. User-friendly interface. Canon has always been known for its user-friendly interfaces, and the EOS R100 is no exception. The menu system is straightforward and easy to navigate, making it accessible for beginners while offering advanced features for experienced users. The 3.0-inch LCD touchscreen is bright and responsive, providing a clear view of your shots and making it easy to adjust settings on the fly. Battery life. Battery life is another area where the Canon EOS R100 excels. The camera offers impressive battery performance, allowing you to shoot for extended periods without worrying about running out of power. This is particularly useful for long photo shoots, events, or travel photography. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera is a fantastic option for photographers and videographers looking for a versatile, high-performance camera. Its impressive image quality, fast autofocus, excellent video capabilities, and user-friendly design make it a top choice in the mirrorless camera market. Whether you're a beginner looking to step up your photography game or an experienced photographer in need of a reliable and portable camera, the Canon EOS R100 has you covered. If you're ready to elevate your photography and videography, be sure to check out the Canon EOS R100. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and photography tips.